Hello to you watching. So this is another update of my Pan That palette where I am of course panning the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. As of my last update, I let you know that I had hit pan on 4 out of the 6 shades, and now I have hit pan on 5 out of the 6 shades, and actually have completely used up Spectra. This one here, all this empty pan, and you can see there that I've hit pan in Helia. So the last update I did, I think I did a quick one in February, and now that the summer months are upon us, or at least the warmer weather months, I am using a lot more highlighter because my sister and I went to Miami for spring break, and I took it upon myself to wear as much glitter as my body would allow me to wear. So I was putting highlighter on my arms, on my clavicle, on my cheeks, on my face, on my legs. I was just glitter all over the place. And so I was using Spectra as a body glitter, which helped me blow through it quite quickly. But now that I'm back up in the mid-Atlantic, where wearing that much glitter all over your body isn't as socially acceptable, I've toned it down a little. I still use the shades I've hit pan on as body highlight, so I put it on my collarbone, I put it on my shoulders and down my arms. When I'm putting on lotion, I just like mix it all in just to give my body a glittery glow. But I have moved to, if you can see the highlighter I'm wearing today, I have moved to Luna for my last highlighting shade that I have yet to hit pan on. And yeah, so I've been also using them as the shades I've hit pan on as an inner corner highlight. So I've expanded the pan on all of the shades that I had previously hit pan on. Yeah, so it's May now. I expect to hit pan on Luna by August. And I think, let me see. May, June, July, August. I think I could be done with this palette by the end of the year. And it could be completely used up by the end of the year. And so that's my prediction. We shall see. Thanks for watching.